How to remove missing chat history, sync now on Messenger. So if you open up your Messenger, here you may have an option of chat history or sync chat history on the upper side of your screen. So if you want to remove that from your Messenger, or if you want to turn off the missing chat history, then what you can do is simply open up your Messenger at first and then go for the upper left, which has that three bar icon, and go for settings, which is on the upper right, and scroll down, go for privacy and safety, and then go for end-to-end encrypted chats. And here go for message storage, which is on the first option. And then here I have not turned on my secure storage, but if you have turned on your secure storage, then you will have turn off option. Simply tap on turn off secure storage, and once you turn off your secure storage, then it will remove the missing chat history sync on your Messenger application. So that's how you can turn off or remove your missing chat history sync. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.